Habari yako, karibu, welcome. Jina langu ni Kidaha. My name is Kidaha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Karibu tena katika channel yangu ya YouTube. We are going to talk about these few Swahili phrases for beginners where you can be able to speak the Swahili language fluently. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop me your comment. Thank you guys. Napaswa kwenda. I should go. Napaswa kwenda. That is number one. I should go. Napaswa kuondoka. I should leave. Napaswa kuondoka. I should leave. Napaswa kupigana. I should fight. Napaswa kupigana. I should fight. Napaswa kuwa huko. I should be there. Napaswa kuwa huko. I should be there. Napaswa kusafiri. Number 5. I should travel. Napaswa kusafiri. I should travel. Napaswa kujua zaidi. I should know more. Napaswa kujua zaidi. I should know more. Napaswa kula. I should eat. That is number 7. Napaswa kula. I should eat. Napaswa kulala. I should sleep. Napaswa kulala. I should sleep. That is number 8. Napaswa kuibeba. I should carry it. Napaswa kuibeba. I should carry it. Napaswa kununua simu. Oh, I'm sorry. I should buy a phone. Not I should buy simu. I should buy a phone. I should buy a phone. Napaswa kununua simu. So I should buy a phone. Napaswa kumpigia. I should call him or her. You can also say napaswa kumuita, like to call someone. I should call him if informal, and her for female. Napaswa kumpigia. I should call him or her. Napaswa kukimbia. I should run. Napaswa kukimbia. I should run. Je, napaswa kwenda? This is in question form. Should I go? Je, napaswa kwenda? Should I go? Je, napaswa kuondoka? Should I leave? Je, napaswa kuondoka? Should I leave? Je, napaswa kukwambia? Should I tell you? Je, napaswa kukwambia? Should I tell you? Je, napaswa kujua? Should I know? Je, napaswa kujua? That is number 16. Should I know? Je, napaswa kukutembelea? Should I visit there? That is visit you, not there. Je, napaswa kukutembelea? Should I visit you? Right? That is you. Instead of there, put you. If you want to say, je, napaswa kutembelea huko? Or should I visit there? It means, je, napaswa kutembelea huko, not kukutembelea. If you say kukutembelea, it means that you are going to visit someone, right? Je, napaswa kukutembelea? Should I visit you? Right? Je, napaswa kukuita? Should I call you? Je, napaswa kukuita? Should I call you? Je, napaswa kununua tiketi? Should I buy a ticket? Je, napaswa kununua tiketi? Should I buy a ticket? Je, napaswa kuiuza? Should I sell it? Je, napaswa kuiuza? Should I sell it? Je, napaswa kuja mapema? Should I come early? Je, napaswa kuja mapema? Should I come early? Je, napaswa kulipa? Should I pay? Je, napaswa kulipa? Should I pay? Je, napaswa kukupatia? Should I give you? Je, napaswa kukupatia? Should I give you? Je, napaswa kukuacha? Should I leave you? Je, napaswa kukuacha? Should I leave you? Habari kifaru. Hello kifaru. Habari yako. How are you? Niko vizuri. I am good. Nini napaswa kufanya? 28. What should I do? Nini napaswa kufanya? What should I do? Je, unauliza? Are you asking? Je, unauliza? Are you asking? Ndiyo, ninakuuliza. Number 30. Yes, I am asking you. Ndiyo, ninakuuliza. Yes, I am asking you. Nini napaswa kusema? What should I say? Nini napaswa kusema? What should I say? Sema chochote. Say anything. Sema chochote. Say anything. Sina cha kusema. I have nothing to say. Sina cha kusema. I have nothing to say. Siwezi kusema chochote. I can't say anything. Siwezi kusema chochote. I can't say anything. Je, una hasira? Are you angry? Una hasira? Are you angry? Nina hasira na wewe. I am angry with you. Nina hasira na wewe. I am angry with you. Kwa nini? Why? Tatizo langu ni nini? What is my problem? Tatizo langu ni nini? What is my problem? Unalijua. You know it. Unalijua. You know it. Silijui. I don't know it. Silijui. If you say I don't know, means sijui. But here we are talking about this problem. It means that you have it. Right? You know it. That's why there is it. So, silijui. That's why there is silijui, not sijui. Sijui means I don't know. But here silijui. It means we are talking about that problem, right? That you don't know about that problem. So silijui. I don't know it. Nisamehe, forgive me. Nisamehe means forgive me. Sitakusamehe, I won't forgive you. Sitakusamehe, I won't forgive you. Sitakusamehe, I won't forgive you. Wewe ni mtu mbaya. You are a bad person. Wewe ni mtu mbaya. You are a bad person. Mimi sio mtu mbaya. I am not a bad person. Mimi sio mtu mbaya. I am not a bad person. Unamaanisha nini? What do you mean? Unamaanisha nini? What do you mean? Umechelewa. You are late. Umechelewa. You are late. Usiniulize chochote. Don't ask me anything. Usiniulize chochote. Don't ask me anything. Asante. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate. Thank you for being with me or learning with me every day. Please support me also by liking this video. Drop me your comment. What would you love to learn for the next lesson? I would like to know or to hear from you guys. Asante sana. Please don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.